Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ritumechi, and if this is your first time, this channel is dedicated to mainly hair and occasional vlogs and makeup. And if that's your thing, please join the family and hit the subscribe button down below. Alright, so without wasting any more time, I have a quick 30 minutes to come up with a hairstyle. I'm getting ready to go out tonight, and this shouldn't take us long. Very quick hairstyle, like I said. So first, the things we will need hairpiece or fiber, hair fiber as some like to call it, braiding hair essentially. So I'm using this expression color 30, and yeah, so this, and if you're going to be using the Darling Yaki braiding hair, you need 3 of those to achieve this hairstyle. So it's either this huge expression 100% Canacalon, whatever this is. Yeah, so you're gonna need either 3 packs of the normal Darling or just 1 pack of this expression, and we are going to need a bunch of hairpins. We are going to need some styling gel and brushes to achieve the look, and finally ribbons or hair ties or rubber bands, something to just tie the ends. So I'm just gonna use a combination of all of the above, and yeah, so let's get right into it. So first up, you're going to need to sleek off your hair up in a pony like this. I've already done this in the morning, but I'll just show a clip of how I normally sleek up my hair. You're gonna need styling gel, a brush, and a hair tie. Next up, we're going to open our hairpiece. Ooh, this looks super dope. I love this color. 30, it's like a rusty blonde slash, yeah, it's just, yeah, a rusty blonde thing going on. I like it. So it comes up this long, and they've already braided us. I like this. I'm going to keep, normally I would use my own hair tie, but I think I'm gonna keep this rubber band here, and I'm just going to quickly undo the braid here, and then I'm going to take this, yeah, so sorry guys, so if, let me say, the hairpiece that you got doesn't come with a rubber band all done like this, what you can do is you can take a ribbon or a hair tie, and you can tie it like this and loop it when it gets here. This one goes over, and the one that is under you pull, and it creates a loop like this, and you can go ahead and do what I'm about to do. So yeah, I hope you caught that. You can just rewind if you haven't, but yeah. All right, so I'm going to keep this, and I'm going to have my bun here. I'm going to take this rubber band, tie it like this, go over until I am satisfied that it is all secured. I'm going to take the hairpiece and I'm going to divide that into two and divide the one into two again. And then now with this, I'm going to do a very lazy loose twist, okay? So I'm going to take the hair, divide it into two like this, and then I twist a bit, and then I start with the twist. So I take the fiber and twist towards the same direction, and then it goes over like this. I'm just going to tie this at the ends like this. Don't worry about the color, it will all be covered up when the hairstyle is done. Yeah, just make sure that you tighten it here at the end. Do the same, divide this by two. Just try to make sure that they feel like they are equal. That is it. And then do the same, divide this into two and prepare to do a twist. And just a tip for you guys, when you separate it into the two, preparing to have twist, just make sure when you separate it, it is detangled until the bottom of the hairpiece. That way you won't struggle as you are twisting going down. And then here we have our 3 twist out like this. This one I haven't forgotten. We are going to do something with this, and first I'm going to take this one, right, and I'm going to use it to cover my own hair. So I'm choosing this one because it's a bit thicker than the other ones. So I'm just going to use this to just cover like this, and I'm going to take the bobby pins and this, right, and when that is done, I'm going to go over like this, and I'm making sure that I use the bobby pin as I go along to make sure that it's secure. And the technique here is to take the bobby pin, use it, have it touch your hair, the one side touch your hair and the other side touch this hair piece, and then just slide it. Wait a minute. Yeah, slide it like this. I hope you guys saw that. Yeah, and then I just do the same. Tag it in, especially the part where there is this orange thing sticking out. Tag it in, take a pin, just half of that, make sure it's combined with the hair, and yeah, tuck that in as well. And then with here, you just make a twist, tuck it in, and take a hairpin and where's that? Just to make sure that it is tucked all the way in like this. This, don't worry, we'll cover this. So basically you just do the same thing. Just go over, take a pin, with this baddie over here, I'm just going to quickly go do my makeup, and I'll be back with the final and finished look. I like it. Very simple, I'm actually on 29 minutes, so it is 30 minutes. It takes us 30 minutes, but obviously the reason why the video is not 30 minutes long is because I did some editing. But yeah, my recording, this is 29 minutes 43 seconds. So yeah, let me quickly go do my makeup and I'll come back with the finished look. So this is the final look, guys.